AI engineering. The future is here. This is not just a concept of science fiction anymore. It is a reality that is transforming our world in ways we could have never imagined. AI engineering is changing the world. From the way we work to the way we live, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. It is making things smarter and faster. Automated systems are now capable of performing complex tasks with precision and efficiency. AI is like having a super-powered assistant for businesses. It helps in analyzing data, predicting trends, and making informed decisions. This technology can learn and solve problems. It adapts and evolves, becoming more intelligent with each interaction. AI is becoming very important for companies that want to stay ahead. It provides a competitive edge by optimizing operations and enhancing productivity. AI engineering is not just for tech companies. It is being adopted across various sectors, from retail to manufacturing. It can be used in many different industries. In healthcare, AI assists in diagnosing diseases and personalizing treatment plans. From healthcare to finance, AI is making a big impact. Financial services use AI for risk management and fraud detection. This technology helps businesses save money and work more efficiently. It automates repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on more strategic activities. AI is the future of how we do business. Embracing AI technology today means preparing for a smarter, more efficient tomorrow. Automation Nation AI and cost savings. One of the biggest benefits of AI is automation. Automation allows businesses to streamline their operations and reduce the need for manual labor. AI can do repetitive tasks automatically, which means that tasks that once took hours can now be completed in minutes. Think about tasks like data entry or customer service. These are essential but often monotonous tasks that can be easily handled by AI. These tasks can take up a lot of time and money. Employees often find themselves bogged down by these repetitive duties, leading to stress and decreased productivity. AI can do these tasks quickly and accurately. With AI, businesses can ensure that these tasks are done with precision, reducing the margin for error. This frees up human workers to focus on more important things. Employees can then dedicate their time to creative and strategic tasks that require human intelligence and ingenuity. For example, imagine a company that gets hundreds of emails every day. Sorting through these emails manually can be a daunting task. They need people to read and sort these emails, which can be time-consuming and tedious. This takes a lot of time. Employees could spend hours just managing their inboxes, which is not the best use of their skills. But with AI, they can automate this process. AI can quickly scan and sort emails based on predefined criteria. An AI system can read and categorize emails instantly, ensuring that important messages are prioritized and dealt with promptly.